Hi there, Keller Williams, Boca Raton. This is Howard Weinstein. I'm with Florida Education Services and, of course, Keller Williams Realty. I'm going to be coming to your market center on Thursday, June 22nd at 10 o'clock. It'll be a 3-hour class, 10 to 1, and the class is Objection Handling Techniques, Closing with Ease. It's my contention that when you really know your objections before you get to your appointment, whether it be listing side or buyer side, you have a much higher opportunity to close for the transaction before you're even there. In fact, you could raise your chances by 70 to 80%. We're going to talk about things regarding learning their behavior style, understanding what's important to them, finding out the most important elements of what they're looking for in an agent that they work with, again, through a pre-qualification process before you even get to the property. So join me Thursday, June 22nd at the Keller Williams Boca Raton Market Center from 10 to 1. It'll be well worth your time. I guarantee you're going to probably add another 6 to 10 transactions this year by doing that. Look forward to seeing you then. Take care.